Do you want to play video streaming apps on Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how you can do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Play video streaming apps on Amazon Echo Show. Swipe down the screen on your Amazon Echo Show. Select Videos. Now you should see the video streaming apps available on your device. Open the app on which you want to stream the video. Once the video streaming app opens, you can browse videos or use the search function. To search manually, click the small search icon and type what you are looking for. To use voice search, say what you want to find, for example, funny cats or midnight street or anything of your choice, and press go or similar options. Select the video you want to watch. It will play just like on any smartphone or TV. To go back, swipe down from the top of the screen and press the back button. Method 2. Use voice search from home screen. You can use voice search to directly play the videos from the video streaming apps. If you are on the Echo Show home screen, you can say Alexa open YouTube or Alexa open Netflix or any other video streaming device you want. Alexa will launch the video streaming app YouTube website inside the Amazon Silk web browser. You can also say Alexa search for videos on beautiful flowers on YouTube. This is just for example. You can say whatever type of video you want to watch. Alexa should start finding the videos and redirect you to the YouTube website using the Silk browser. And there you have it, the methods to play video streaming apps on Amazon Echo Show. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the products, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.